Caribbean jerk chicken is a spicy, smoky Jamaican dish made by marinating chicken in a bold mix of allspice, thyme, Scotch bonnet peppers, garlic, ginger, and more. It's traditionally slow-cooked over pimento wood or charcoal, creating a crispy exterior and juicy interior. Rooted in Taino and African traditions, jerk chicken is a cultural staple in Jamaica, especially at street stalls and gatherings. Typically served with rice and peas, plantains, or festival, it's a flavorful blend of heat, sweetness, and heritage. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.